See the difference? We've just filled it in, but we haven't made it look like a thick eyeliner look, but it's kind of changed the shape of the eye in comparison to this. This is like that and then there. And that's what this was like first, but now it's kind of like going like that. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about educational beauty. I'm Nina Ubhi and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my corner smoky eye, which is very easy to do. It's natural looking, so you can wear it during the day, but you could also kind of add a pair of lashes and wear it in the evening too. Now, before we do head into the video, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so please do go over there, hit follow, and you can find some reels, unboxing, and just all sorts. Now let's jump straight into the video. I hope you're ready for today's video. I'm going to be showing you a look that recently you guys have been really asking for. You've seen a couple of pictures over on Instagram and on here, and you guys have been saying, can we get a tutorial for this look? So here we are, guys. I'm going to be showing you how I create my smoky eyeliner look, which is very thin, very kind of daytime. You know, you can use it in the evening too, but I'm really excited about showing you this one. This is like a super easy look. I can't wait to show you this. It's super, super easy. Now, we're going to be using a few different products, but honestly they're really easy products and I feel like you can use them for other kind of looks too. I'm not going to be applying any kind of lashes because my lash extensions are kind of on there, like literally the last few are left there, and I really don't want to kind of like end up applying false lashes and then it rips them out or anything. So I just literally hit myself in the face, or I'm just gonna leave that as it is. But we're really focusing on the eyeliner, and you don't have to wear lashes with this look. I'm gonna grab my Sigma Beauty E21 brush, and I'm also going to grab my It Cosmetics Superhero No Tug Shadow Stick in Fearless Umber. Right, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to grab this stick, I'm going to grab the brush, and I'm basically just going to like just go across on it with the tip. Now I'm going to go very close to my lash line. So I'm basically going to like, you can see it's like painting on there. It's very close. Only about halfway across. You can see we've covered just that half of the eye. Now I'm going to get a Q-tip and I'm basically just going to go over it and go side to side, right? And this is going to soften it, but I'm not really focusing on dragging it anywhere in particular. It's just softening it and picking up any excess product. See how that's given it a really soft finish there? So now we're going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye. Grab your Q-tip, go side to side. Don't focus on making it thicker, we're just focusing on going side to side. There you go. Now we've got the same on each side. Now I'm going to take whatever's already on this brush, and now I'm going to create a very slight kind of like wing. And I'm basically focusing on taking it upwards. You've got to know the direction that you're going in. Whatever's already left on this brush, by the way, yeah? So don't put extra product. There you go. Do the same on the other eye. Okay, see how we've got that little wing on each side now? Now I'm going to get my Kylie Cosmetics Eyeliner in black. This is my liquid pen in black. And I'm going to go super close to my lash line. So I'm going to go really, really close and really thin. I mean, the great thing is this brush is already really thin, so it makes it easier. But I'm going super close to the lash line. Like, I'm actually trying not to create an eyeliner look, if that makes sense. So I don't create a wing with it yet. I just want you to like create it, like do a line all the way across. Grab your Q-tip. You can get the same one that you used and just kind of like do the same on that area there. And what it's doing, it's wiping away any obvious eyeliner. We're going to do the same here. almost like dragging it into the lash line. There, now I feel like it's softened it ever so slightly. We're going to do the same on the other side. Now, when you're holding your brush, try and hold it flat like that. It makes it much easier. Don't hold it like that. You'll find it difficult to create a really thin line like this, whereas you'll find it much easier if it's gliding across like that. Now we're going to get this eyeliner and we're going to do a little tiny flick here, but we're doing it already where we've actually applied it. So you can see the shadow there. What we're doing is we're going on top of it and we're just kind of doing the underside of it. So we're not covering the whole thing. We're doing a really, really thin line. And this is where I do use the tip. So I do it like this, because if I do it like this, it's going to probably end up becoming a little bit thicker. We're going to do the same on the other eye. Now what we want to do is just kind of like fill in this little area here, but not too much. I'm going to fill it a little bit more. I keep looking in the mirror. Because I just want to check how thick, I want it. See the difference? We've just filled it in, but we haven't made it look like a thick eyeliner look, but it's kind of changed the shape of the eye in comparison to this. This is like that and then there. And that's what this was like first, but now it's kind of like going like that. Now what I'm going to do is get my Superhero No Tug Shadow Stick in, which one is this? This one is Tenacious Tawny. And I'm going to get my Sigma Beauty E30 brush and I'm basically going to just go like that. Honestly, you get the most amazing result when you do it like this rather than putting the pencil on the eye. And I'm just going to basically apply this right into my lower lashes, because what this does is it gives me a little bit of color there without it looking obvious, and it also isn't too dark. Obviously, we are going to finish just with a little bit of mascara. This is just my Charlotte Tilbury one. Now, if you wanted to, you could kind of put some lashes on with this. Obviously, it's going to completely take it up a notch. It's going to really give it that kind of glam look. Now, I obviously just have a few lashes left on my lashes. I'm just going to leave it at that. I put a little bit of mascara on just to make sure that it doesn't look like they're covered in powder or anything, because it may be from putting my foundation and stuff on. Putting mascara on the lower lashes kind of like finishes it off too. If you want to, you could make this kind of like eyeliner look a little bit thicker, or even kind of like use a different color shadow stick. So for example, I've used these two, which are like, a dark brown and almost like a kind of rusty color, which isn't too dark, and they're both matte, which is great. So I feel like you can kind of like make this a little bit thicker if you wanted to. When we applied that dark brown initially, you could actually make that just a little bit thicker and just apply a bit more with that if you wanted to. Like, I've done it the amount that suits my eye and it's what I like, but it doesn't mean you have to apply the same amount. Maybe you've got quite big eyes and you can really get away with applying more of that product, so you can go all in with that dark brown, and maybe you want to be able to see more kind of definition on the lower lash line, so maybe you want to use the brown instead of the kind of rusty color. So you don't have to stick to exactly what I've said, but I would say that kind of like just see what looks good on your eye shape, on your skin tone, and then kind of adjust it accordingly. I also wanted to share with you some news. Wind, my favorite skincare brand, have now ventured into fragrance. So they have a selection of fragrances now that you guys are going to love. I went to the launch recently and you'll see some of it over on my vlog channel, so please head over there. And I honestly was just I was so mesmerized by some of these scents. Like, I can't pick one favorite. So today I'm going to go through, I'm going to like, well, I really wish you could smell it through the camera because it smells so good. But this is what I received. So we've got this bottle here. This is rose saffron here, and I've got little miniatures of the other ones, which I'm going to go through and figure out which ones are my favorite. Because from the event, there were just too many. I just couldn't even choose one. But this one in particular, I just wanted to share with you kind of why I love it. So basically, the founder, Hind, has basically managed to bottle Morocco. It's literally, that's how it feels like, and that's what I think she also mentioned at her event too. Like, it just feels like she's kind of put everything she embodies from Morocco into bottles, and they just smell so good. And I love the fact that it's a nice big bottle. I love the design of it. It looks amazing. And this one, like I said, is rose saffron, and I don't usually like rose. Rose is not usually my thing, but this isn't that type of rose. See, it settles on the skin, and you gotta wait, and then you smell it and you're like, it's almost, I almost feel like when you spray it initially, when it kind of melts into the warmth of your skin, it kind of melts into the perfect level of scent, if that makes sense for you. Because I've smelt this on Haneen, when my friend at the event, and it smelled different on her, and it smells different on me, and I love it on me. And I would never usually go for rose, but I absolutely love this. And this is, it kind of has like leathery notes in there. It's like slightly woody, a little bit leathery. It's very kind of, it's a seductive scent, but it has kind of like intense Moroccan rose, but it's not overpowering, if that makes sense. It's almost like a little bit, tiny bit kind of like this, like slight honey kind of finish to it. It's not sweet. It's not like sweet though. It honestly, I don't think I'm even doing it justice. You need to go out and try this because it is honestly amazing. And I really am excited for you guys to try it. And I'm so excited. See, when I smell it here, it smells different to what it smells on my skin. I feel like fragrance is such a personal thing and such an intimate thing because it really does smell different on each person. I can also smell like very subtle, like oud and vanilla in here, and I'm going to be wearing this all the time, guys. I just can't wait to smell the other one so that I can really figure out which other ones are my favorite. So I really wanted to share that with you, and I wanted you guys to know about them because obviously it is one of my favorite skincare brands. I'm obsessed with the moisturizer. I use it literally every day. And yeah, that's about it from me. And I really do hope that you've enjoyed this kind of like eye look that we've done. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. And don't forget to head over to my vlog channel and show your support there too. But in the meantime, I'm sending you loads of love and lots of positive vibes, and I will see you soon. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.